So I've decided to do a black base Dutch pour for you. This is my black base. I mix it with glue and water, and I will link the video up for you if you want to go and see how I mix my base paint. And I'm just going to flood the canvas for you. This is a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas, and then I'll show you what colors we will be using in this Dutch pour. I've got my spatula, and it makes life so much easier to spread the paint on the canvas for your Dutch pour. You get the feel of the amount of paint that you have, and you are able to spread it nice and evenly and cover all your spaces. Quick and easy. So get yourself a nice spatula to do this. So the colors for my fire and ice is a hot, warm, hot and cold. So it's blues for cold and reds and oranges for hot. And I'm going to include a metallic in the, for the hot colors. I'm going to be using a gold metallic, and in the cold colors I will be using a silver metallic. My paints are from Dala and Zalcraft. So my base is covered. Let me torch my bubbles. This is not a very big canvas because I want to see how it's going to work, and if it works well, if it dries well, then I'm going to be doing it on a much bigger canvas. So this is the first time I'm going to ever combine colors on a canvas separately as for a fire and ice. I love the idea. I've seen so many inspirations on my Facebook groups that I belong to, and I wanted to give it a go. So these are the colors for my fire. Zalcraft Crimson Red. I've got Zalcraft Metallic Gold. Then I've got Dala's Deep Red. And I've got Dala Permanent Orange. So for the cold, for the ice, Dala's Phthalo Blue. I've got Dala Silver. I'm using Crafters Acrylic Cobalt Blue. And I'm using Dala's Summer Blue. So I want my, what are we going to do? Blue at the bottom and the hot at the top? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So let's blow this way. That's the Crimson Red. Oh, I haven't shaken this very well. This is the gold. Still not coming out very well. Here's the gold. This is the gold. The deep red. And the permanent orange. I love this orange. It's such a rich color. That's for the fire. And now for the ice. I want to go in a different direction. Ice starts there. That's phthalo blue. This is the silver. I think I'm going to add a little bit more phthalo blue on top of that silver. This is the cobalt violet and the summer blue. Do another little cobalt because that silver is so prominent. All right, colors are down. I'm going to use the torch again just to pop the bubbles because I've been shaking my bottles. There's quite a few bubbles in the painting. Okay, there's some specks of dried paint. I'm just going to lift it off. So always keep a tweezer handy. Does such a great job. All right, all the paint's out of the way. Let's blow this out. That's my dryer. Fingers crossed for me, everybody. Let's hope this turns out a beauty. I'm just blowing the excess black paint off the canvas. I love it. Just torch it again. I love it. The composition is beautiful. I'm so happy with this canvas. Guys, the base color paint, I'm only using craft paint from Dala and I'm mixing it with glue and water and I get such good results. I'm so happy that my mix, I finally got it right. I can't tell you how many canvases I had to scrape because my base paint was either too thick or too thin. It cracked and crazed and I was never happy with it. But I'm so happy with my results that I get with the glue and water mix. So let me bring it down for a close-up. This painting has got the most beautiful shimmer. This is so stunning. That's the fire. And in the fire colors, it's got a gold shimmer. And that's the cold colors, the blue, and it's got the silver shimmer. Just stunning. I can't wait for this painting to dry so that I can show you the dried results. Just love it. Love it, love it. There you have it, guys. That's absolutely stunning. Look at the movement in that. That's the fire. Just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I hope you like it as much as I do. Give it a thumbs up if you do. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care, everybody. Stay well. Bye for now.